Before we begin, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.
Yo, what is up guys? So today welcome back to another brand new unboxing video. So in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing a 6 inches dimmable ring light. Not only that, also I'm gonna give you guys just a quick review on there to let you guys know that is this ring light worth buying under $15. So before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So before we get into the box, let's see what we have on the box. So starting off with the front and the back side of the box, so we have a nice picture of the light itself, and it says 6 inches dimmable LED ring light. And we have nothing on the left and the right side of the box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the box and let me show you guys what we have inside of the box. So the first thing we have inside of the box is this mount to hook up the light on the tripod. So the last thing we have inside of the box is our actual unit, which is the LED ring light. So before we end this video, I want to give you guys a quick review of this light so that you guys can find out that is this light worth buying under $15. So when it comes to quality of this light, so it is not that great at all. Like if you press it with the force, so this could get into it, which can cause damage to the LED in here. And yeah, make sure to use it with the care so that you will not face anything bad. But when it comes to quality of the mount, so it is actually really impressive compared to the quality of the light. So the cool part about this light that it has a remote connected with the wire of the light. So the first button we have here is the power button to turn on the light. Now the second button we have here is the negative button, which is used to dim the light. So the third button we have right here is the change over button, so that you can change the color of this ring light according to the lighting condition of your room. So it has a total 3 lights in here. So first one is the normal white, and second one is the combination of white and orange, and the last one is the simply orange light. Now the last button we have here is the positive button, which is used to bright the light. So yeah, the conclusion is that if you're a content creator and you want to make your video light up, so this is a good decision, because there are thousands of different lights you can find in different stores. But the thing is that in this range, I think this is actually pretty good. So there you go, that was just a quick unboxing and the review video of the 6 inches dimmable ring light. So if you guys like my today's video, if you do, so don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe button. So what you guys think about this ring light under $15? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Wow.